You bench press every single week. You load the bar, you grind the reps, you feel the pump, and then you look in the mirror with your shirt off and your chest looks exactly the same as it did 6 months ago. Not bigger, not fuller, not rounder. Same flat chest, different Monday. Here's what nobody is telling you. The problem is not your program, it's not your weight, it's not your frequency. It's the fact that you have been doing the bench press without ever actually training your chest. And before you close this video, hear me out, because this is the mistake that is silently killing the chest gains of 90% of guys in every gym right now, including you. Let me explain what's actually happening when you bench press. Your chest has one job: to bring your arms across your body. That's it. That's the entire function of the pectoral muscle. But when you lie down and press a straight bar up and down, your chest barely does that movement. Your shoulders and your triceps take over. They do the heavy lifting. Your chest just shows up, collects a paycheck, and goes home having done almost nothing. That's why your triceps are growing. That's why your front delts are getting bigger. And that's why your chest is still flat after years of benching. You haven't been training your chest. You've been training everything around it. So what's the fix? 3 things, and all 3 start before you even touch the bar. Fix number 1, stop pressing, start squeezing. This is the single biggest shift you can make, and it costs you nothing. Before every set, picture trying to bend the bar into a U shape with your hands, not to snap it, just to create that inward rotational force, like you're trying to pull both ends of the bar toward each other. That one cue activates your pecs before the rep even starts. Now when you press, your chest is already engaged. It can't just sit there while your shoulders do all the work. Try it with an empty bar right now. You'll feel your chest fire up in a way it never has during a normal set. Fix number 2, your elbows are destroying you. Most guys flare their elbows straight out to the side at 90 degrees. It feels strong, it feels stable, and it is completely shutting your chest out of the movement. When your elbows flare that wide, the bar path turns into a pure shoulder press. Your pecs get shortened before the rep even begins and never reach the stretch they need to grow. Bring your elbows in to about 45 to 75 degrees from your torso. Not tucked like a close grip bench, just in. The moment you do this, the bottom of the rep, the stretch position, will feel completely different. You'll feel an actual stretch across your chest that you've probably never felt on the bench press before. That stretch is where chest growth happens. That's the stimulus your pecs have been starved of this whole time. Fix number 3. The arch is not cheating, the arch is the answer. A controlled arch in your lower back is not a powerlifting trick. It is the most effective way to put your chest in the strongest, most activated position possible. When you arch and retract your shoulder blades, your chest gets pushed forward and up. Your shoulders drop back and out of the movement. Now the bar has to travel over your chest instead of your shoulders. You didn't cheat the rep, you finally aimed it at the right muscle. Now here's the part that separates the guys who actually change from the guys who watch videos and stay the same. Drop the weight by 20%, right now, today. I know that hurts to hear, but you have been using heavy weight to compensate for terrible technique this entire time. The weight was never the problem, the connection was. Lighter weight, better arch, elbows at 45, squeeze the bar inward, full stretch at the bottom, full squeeze at the top. Do that for 4 weeks and your chest will respond more than it has in the last year of heavy pressing, because you're finally actually training it. One more thing, and this one is non-negotiable. If you finish every bench press session and your shoulders are more pumped than your chest didn't train, your shoulders did. That is your signal, every single time. The goal isn't to move weight, the goal is to make your chest move the weight. There's a massive difference, and most guys never figure that out. If this just reframed the way you think about bench press, hit the like button so the algorithm knows real coaching still exists on this platform. Subscribe for a new breakdown every single week. And drop in the comments, be honest, after every bench press session, what's more pumped, your chest or your shoulders? I read every single one. Now go fix your bench. Your chest has been waiting long enough.